Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2. Not really necessary to be made because I said you could do it, but I just wanted to show you the finished product. I think that looks pretty good. And if you didn't watch part 1, you'll be a little bit confused. We're going to make this yellow. It's already in the center of the page. I'm going to bring in my indexing lines. You know, remember on this one, we went a little further. So Control D and make, well, no, we don't want to do that. We want to take this and go ahead and use our interactive fill tool. And we're going to go from here to here. And we're going to add some red. Well, red. And that gives you that look. And then if you're happy with that, that's pretty good. But you could also enhance the red a little bit by putting red here. And then take and enhance the yellow by putting it here. And so this one's kind of split. You know, it's got some orange at the bottom. This one's almost all orange. You could do a lot with this. Then, just like in the previous video, Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the X right there. Move it to the center of the page. Rotate it 90 degrees. Control D. Sometimes Corel will rotate around, sometimes it won't. I would go ahead and group this together, Control G, move in our box, and look at that. Take away the indexing line and uncheck off of it. That looks pretty good. Like I said in the first video, I would actually make this last box maybe a little bit bigger. And I really think you could keep going where it goes like into infinity. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.